add friends for free on Steam. So if you want to add friends on your Steam, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Steam application. Once you open up your Steam, you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that friends option. Once you click on friends, then you will have add a friend. Click on add a friend. Once you click on it, now you just need to simply enter your friend's code, or you can simply copy your code and send it to your friend so that they can add you as a contact or add you as a friend. Or if you want to add friends, then you just need to simply ask your friend for their code, and you need to enter the code right here. Once you enter the code, for example, I'll be just entering some code, and after that here you will get the profile link, and here on the right side you will get send invite option. You just need to simply click on send invite, and after that if they accepted your invite, then you'll be friends. That's how you can add friends for free on your Steam. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.